Welcome to UXMagic. Here's how to log in and start your first project. Click Login in the top right. Enter your details and sign in. Once you're in, you can start generating your first screen. Begin with a simple prompt, or use Enhance Prompt to refine it. Submit the prompt to continue. This takes you to your project workspace. You'll see the agents process on the right. Choose the screens you want to generate first. Click Accept and Generate to proceed. UXMagic generates screens along with styles, images, and layout. Your screens appear in the panel on the left. Select a screen to change its size from the drop-down. You can also switch to a mobile view. To preview, select a screen and click Play. The design opens in a new tab in your chosen size. Use the controls below to check responsiveness. Switch between screens from the left panel. Your first project is ready to explore.